Here's a video of the new Premier Swim Academy building in Rancho Cucamonga, California. Pass underneath the scaffolding and be approximately where the big automatic double door is, leading into their lobby. As they swing around, you set of 4 restrooms behind the lobby. We'll have the nice open windows to the south and to the east. As we move to the left of the lobby, go through a little short hallway with the janitor's closet off to the right here, but we'll enter into a nice open ceiling changing area. This room will have a nice private changing stations, allowing you to change into the swimsuits. As we swing along and come back to the right, pass through a hallway and head back out to the lobby, we'll have a set of offices here with some nice corner glass, a larger office, smaller office. As we look down the chute here, this will be a viewing area. We'll have glass along the pool deck so that people can view the kids in the pool. Walk further down and off to our right, have a nice wall separated with glass and doors for some training. On the back we have electrical room, break room, and pool mechanical room. You can see the pool. As we swing across to the left back to the pool, you see the open area stage looking at the thing, and that is the shower room, open shower room where you come right off the pool and you can rinse the chlorine off the suits.